all cuts are bad, because all cuts are messing with the community. It's not just about the agency, it's about the community and our children.
They're taking away the child care. How could you come to work and know that you got to pay for child care? You have no one to take care of your child if you can't afford to pay. And for instance, if your kids are sick, you have to pay a portion of the money. For instance, one of my co-workers had a daughter that was sick recently and she couldn't pay for the medication. It's rough.
But I think it's really terrible for them to take away the child care from the people that need it. I went the other day to get medicine for my daughter and they told me that it's not covered no more. I have to pay for it myself and I can't afford that.
Bottom line. And what we're seeing is that the private agencies are not ready and they are ill-equipped. Their workers are not doing what has to be done for the safety of the children time and again. We'll open up a case, look at what they're proposing, and be shocked and amazed. And we have to take them to task, take them and give them a list of things they have to do, but they're closing us out. They're actually removing the arm of the supervision away, period. 30 years of great experience, earned experience, that we know what's best for these children. We've watched, we've learned, we've been schooled, we have masters, we have bachelors, we have every bit of experience that we need. Whereas some of those contract agencies are literally having child protective workers or child planners, case planners, who are coming from temp agencies. And that's a frightening issue.
That is, well, them should reopen. You know, they should consider and think about the children and think about the families and the patient care in general.
What's happened is Mayor Bloomberg has taken over the airwaves. Nobody out, the public only sees him. They're not hearing from the public, the other public, the working public. They're not hearing from us.
Horrible. First of all, these people are overpaid their salaries. Why are they getting $100,000, $150,000, whatever the case may be? For what? For what? They be overpaid and they stealing like crazy. That's what the reason why it's the way it is. And we as workers, we're the ones that's paying for it. They want to take back everything from us because of the stealing that's being done. And that's horrible.
I understand there was a stimulus package. I understand that Wall Street received some assistance. But these children, they need to be protected. And I don't know why they don't understand that this is the future of this city. How dare you overlook or neglect their needs? That's what I'm saying.
But what's going to happen if they don't stand up for themselves is that they're going to end up getting laid off anyway.